Hi guys, everybody had a good weekend. Mr. Matt here. I'm back at school again today doing some work and I'm going to be demonstrating your art project. We're going to create animals with basic geometric shapes. By basic geometric shapes I mean things like circle, square, rectangle, triangle. Circle could also be oval. These are all shapes that I know you guys all know. Everybody learns these shapes in kindergarten. So what I'm going to do is change views, zoom in on my paper, and show you how to get started. Okay, so the Word doc that goes along with this lesson is going to have some examples of animals that were created with basic geometric shapes. And I'm actually using one from this to how to draw an owl. And it shows three ways. It shows one with a square, one with a triangle, and one with a circle. For the body shape. I'm going to use the oval one because I think it looks the most like an owl. I kind of like the way that one looks. So I'm going to start with pencil because I might want to erase, but what I'm going to do is draw a big kind of egg shape, and I'm doing this lightly at first, not pressing hard, just in case I need to erase. That's a nice egg shape right there. Just keep making it. There, I like that. So now, at the top, I'm actually going to do two big circles. Kind of touch each other, about the same size. And then, what I'm going to do is, on top of that, I'm going to do a triangle. And that triangle is going to be like the horns, or it looks like ears, but they call it the horns, the great horned owl of the owl, and it's going to come down to the beak. So there's the basics of it. One of the reasons why I wanted to start out in pencil is because all these lines that are inside these circles, I don't want to see those. So I'm going to erase that. Because I did it lightly in pencil, I can do that very easily. And then what I would do in there is add some details that I want to show in there. And what I'm going to show is I'm going to do another circle inside there. I'm going to do another circle inside of that. And then I'm going to do this small inside circle. Same thing over here. So I got one big one that kind of follows the outside there. Another one inside of that. And then my small one in the middle there. And then this, I can darken this, what's going to be the beak. So that really shows up. And then I'm going to put a couple of lines here. It kind of follows the curve of the big oval. Come down like that, and comes down like that. There. So now I could take some time and darken these lines so that you can really see good my outline of my shape, my owl. I'm going to make this kind of go up and back down into the other one. Just darken in there. There. All of a sudden it's becoming something, right? Now at the bottom, I can add a little couple owl feet here. And I'll put a little branch in there. Where the owl will be on. Maybe I'll make that branch, instead of ending it, I'll make it go right off the page. That makes a little more sense, I think. There. Okay, so there's the pencil work. We'll stop the video and come back and talk about what to do next. Okay, so I think the first thing I want to do is do some outlining with black marker. Take this marker and just go over everything that you want to be outlined with that black marker. Give it a little reflection. Make a little circle that you're going to leave. Then I can color in this part. Alright, so I'm going to stop this and bring it back when I have everything outlined. Okay, so I have my owl all outlined, all built with simple geometric shapes. I was going to color it in with markers. I noticed that, and you can color it in any way you want, but what I see in the examples, they have a dark brown and they have a lighter tan. Well, I don't have a light tan in my marker set, so I found a crayon that is I can use for that light tan color, which you see in the center where his belly is. And it is also used in this outer layer around his eyes. So I put that in there. And just to show you real quick how you can use these together, I want to create some contrast. In between these two sections, the brown marker is quite a bit darker than that light tan, so that when I put the brown marker in here, oh, I did that wrong. This is supposed to be, will it go over that? It will. Haha. There. Whoops. We all make mistakes. So actually this outside part was supposed to be dark brown. And the tan part, there's a tan circle around the eye in here. Like that. There, that's how I want that to look. And then I'll do some orange for the beak, the feet. Alright, so I'm going to stop the video and I'll bring it back and show you my completed owl. Okay, so here's my completed owl, all made with simple geometric shapes. We have a big oval as the body, two circles as part of the head, and then inside circles making the eyes, and then one big triangle that makes the beak and kind of like the ears, the horns up there. Some little simple shapes for the feet, and basically a long rectangle for the stick that the owl is on. Pretty simple, but looks nice. I'm going to sign it. And there you go. All right. So stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you again soon.